History. Peugeot, one of the oldest and most renowned French automobile manufacturers, was founded by Armand Peugeot in 1810. Armand Peugeot initially established the Peugeot company as a manufacturer of coffee mills and bicycles. However, it was his grandson, Armand Peugeot, who recognized the potential of the emerging automobile industry and took the company into car manufacturing in the late 19th century. Early success. Peugeot's early success in the automotive industry can be traced back to the late 19th century when the company produced its first steam-powered vehicles. However, it was the Peugeot Type 3, introduced in 1891, that marked the company's entry into the automobile market. This vehicle, powered by an internal combustion engine, became one of the earliest commercially successful automobiles. Peugeot's dedication to innovation and quality craftsmanship contributed to its reputation as a respected automaker. Best inventions. One of Peugeot's notable inventions was the introduction of the lion emblem, which has become synonymous with the brand. Peugeot's lion emblem, representing strength and durability, adorned its vehicles and symbolized the company's commitment to producing robust and reliable cars. Over the years, Peugeot continued to innovate in areas such as engine technology and suspension systems. In recent years, Peugeot, under the umbrella of Group PSA now Stellantis, focused on modernizing its vehicle lineup. The introduction of the Peugeot 3008 and Peugeot 5008 SUVs showcased the brand's commitment to contemporary design and advanced technology. Peugeot also made strides in the electric vehicle EV market with models like the Peugeot e-208, contributing to the global shift toward electrification. Current status. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Peugeot was an active and prominent brand within the Stellantis Automotive Group. The company continued to produce a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs, and had a global presence with a strong emphasis on the European market. Peugeot's commitment to innovation, design, and sustainability positioned it as a key player in the evolving automotive industry.